Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to remove tab setting in Microsoft Word 2016. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Word document. Then we want to remove tab setting in this document. Go to the paragraph settings option, then go to the tab, then click the clear all. Then change the default tab stops 0.4 and click OK. Then press tab on our keyboard and we can see we remove the tab setting in this document very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.